November 1414 Bravo Alpha, traffic 6 mile final, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 4 Bravo Alpha.
November 414 Bravo Alpha, wind 270 at 10, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff, 4 Bravo Alpha.
November 414 Bravo Alpha, contact SoCal departure.
Over to SoCal, 4 Bravo Alpha. SoCal departure, Cessna 414 Bravo Alpha, to at 1000.
414 Bravo Alpha, SoCal departure, radar contact. Bravo Alpha, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180, 4 Bravo Alpha.
4 Bravo Alpha approach.
4 Bravo Alpha.
Bravo Alpha, what's your altitude?
1000 feet, 4 Bravo Alpha.
4 Alpha, Bravo Alpha, low altitude alert. Advise you climb and maintain 4,000 immediately.
Climb, maintain 4,000 immediately, 4 Bravo Alpha.
Bravo Alpha, are you doing okay there? Do you need any assistance?
Affirmative, thank you.
4 Bravo Alpha, what seems to be the issue?
Just struggling right now. The President maintains heading and climb.
4 Bravo Alpha, you're struggling to maintain altitude and headings. Maintain as high as you can for now, at least above 2,000.
Maintain above 2,000, 4 Bravo Alpha.
4 Bravo Alpha, the closest airport I can get you to is North Island Airport, which is off your left in like 1 mile. Do you see that?
Negative, 4 Bravo Alpha.
Under 4 Bravo Alpha, 4 Bravo Alpha, there's an airport off of your east side, and about 3 miles is a crisscross runway. It's North Island. It's your closest airfield.
Mayday.
4 Bravo Alpha, if you see North Island, you're cleared to land. 4 Bravo Alpha, if you see the airport, you are cleared to land. Your 4 Bravo Alpha, approach. 4 Bravo Alpha, low altitude alert, climb immediately. 4 Bravo Alpha, radar contact lost 6 southwest of San Diego Airport.